XiaoAi, Xiaomi's smart assistant, has grown from a simple voice assistant to an indispensable part of the smart home ecosystem. Let's explore its evolution and how it compares to the global players in the field. Launched in 2017, XiaoAi was designed to enhance the Xiaomi user experience, creating a seamless connection between devices and users. It's integrated into smartphones, smart home appliances, and even vehicles. From its humble beginnings with version 1.0, XiaoAi has continuously evolved. Version 2.0 brought better language processing and integration with more devices. By version 3.0, it's faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever with AI-driven capabilities. XiaoAi has become an essential tool for smart home management. From controlling lights to adjusting the temperature, it helps users create personalized environments with just their voice. XiaoAi's integration extends far beyond smartphones. It's deeply embedded in Xiaomi's smart ecosystem, ensuring all devices from your smartphone to your refrigerator work together, creating a connected world for the user. Now, let's compare XiaoAi with global smart assistant Siri and Google Assistant. The future of XiaoAi looks bright, with plans to integrate even more advanced AI capabilities. As Xiaomi continues to innovate, XiaoAi will likely become even smarter and more essential in our daily lives. To learn more and explore the full range of Xiaomi's AI-driven products, visit Xiaomi's official website. The future of smart living starts here.
Xiaomi Smartphone.